So welcome to my channel. This is 2018 E300 Mercedes-Benz. So we are working on the engine. Actually, we have a fault on this vehicle. This engine is a 274 engine, turbocharged engine. So look at the turbocharger here, the turbocharger. So the problem with this car is that this number 3 cylinder is not working. The number 3 cylinder is not working, and this is direct injector system. So we have changed the plug. We changed the plug of number 3. Still the same fault. If you diagnose the car, you still get the same fault. We've changed the ignition coil. Still the same fault. We have tested the injector nozzle line, that is the electrical, to see if the engine computer shuts the line, but still it didn't shut the line. The line is supplying from the engine computer. So we try to swap the nozzle. This is the injector nozzles. This is a direct injector system. So we took the number 2, swap it to number 3 to see if the nozzle is the fault, but still the fault still remains number 3. So now we want to remove the top cylinder and check the valves, because the fault now, from what we are seeing, the fault is compression fault. There's no compression on that number 3 cylinder. So that is why we are dropping. We want to remove the cylinder head of this engine. So look at it now. This is the engine computer, which we removed. It's located right here. We have to remove it so that we can get the inlet manifold out and the engine cover. So we remove the high pressure pump. This one is the brake vacuum pump. We remove the front cover here, and we have turned the engine to TDC because we want to remove the timing chain. You understand? So this is the turbo charger. This is the turbo input. You understand me? So now we just removed the hood for the chain adjuster. We want to remove this chain. You see, the chain is free now because we have removed the adjuster. We want to remove the chain and remove the camshaft. Then we can now lose the top cylinder. So that's the process. As we are going, I'll still keep you updated. Thank you for watching. This is OK Francis Automobile Workshop, the Range Rover Doctor. Still remain the excellence of the work, you know. So once we remove the top cylinder, I will do another video for you so that I will show you what the problem is. We do compression test in that particular cylinder. We will find our fault right inside there. Thank you for watching. Bye.